Alright. I have not done this in a while. Okay guys, so I have found a small little waterfall right up there. I'm in New Hampshire, it's fall, and I was going up this forest road and I saw on the Gaia GPS there was a little thing that said Little Falls, and it's literally like right here. So I figured might as well take about an hour or two. It's about 11 in the morning, and go and shoot some waterfalls. So let's do that. Okay, I think this will do. So I have already put my circular polarizer on here, and basically what I'm doing now is just trying to figure out how I want to set up the shot. And let's see what we got. Here you can see the circular polarizer off, and here it is turned on. Let's get focus back on. Off and on. You can see how much of a difference that makes. Got my 24-70 on my Sigma, and I think this is going to be the first shot. Alright, composition set up. This is looking pretty dark right now, so let's dial in the settings and take the photo. So let's bring our ISO up. I don't want to go too high, so let's start with 200. I want to bring my aperture down, and we'll adjust the shutter speed. What I'm going to do is adjust my focus. So, alright, let's move that. Let's bring it about right there on that rock. That should be fine, because we are not super zoomed in, and we're using, we'll go around f11. Okay, I'm using my histogram, which is a secret that no one talks about. Everyone should talk about. So my sky, it looks okay. On the histogram it's okay. So I don't think I have anything blowing out. And this is just a pretty simple composition. I don't know why I don't have the grid up here. Let's turn that on. Long exposure noise reduction off. And let's see if we can bring up the grid quickly. It'll probably be under display, huh? Yeah, maybe it's under here. Oh, I think I saw it. Display rule of thirds. Okay, so pretty simple composition. Ooh, some leaves are falling. I'm going to go ahead and take this. Make sure 2-second delay is on. Go ahead. So I am just checking that for sharpness, and it looks pretty good. Actually, looks really good. Okay, so behind the camera, I just put my L bracket on. Let's go ahead and take a photo this way. See, now the camera's up too high. Let me show you. I want to get this sort of like this. Okay, let's dial stuff in here. I'm at f22, I don't want that. So let's go to like f18. Ah, there we go. That's the composition I want. It was bothering me. Alright, let's try f14. Bring the ISO down to 125. Let's look at the histogram. Doesn't look like the sun is blowing out. So you can see that histogram rising over here. I think let's settle in here. 1.6, f14, ISO 125. Let's give this bad boy a little shot. Something else I want to try, I want to get the camera closer to the ground. So I'm actually going to lower the tripod for this. Same settings, 1.6 f14, ISO 125. Try a little different focal length here. I'm around 35 millimeters. Let's give this one a shot. Ooh, I think that's my favorite. That's my favorite. I'm at about 50 millimeters. All right, let's move up. Well, I think that's the little fall, and it doesn't look very picturesque. Well, let's go check it out. I think this is the way. This is so steep. Why does my leg hurt so much? What the hell is going on? What a shape. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I feel like a mountain climbing. Jesus. What the hell? This is not the best view, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the shot. And it's a little tricky here, so it's gonna be hard to kind of walk you through what I'm doing, but I'll do my best. All right, let's get the camera out, get this on. All right, so I don't like this at all. This is terrible composition, terrible. Hopefully you guys can see that. I mean, this is the best I can do. You have the waterfall coming down here, but you have this big branch sticking out. Honestly, if this branch wasn't here, it might not be that bad. But, I mean, the leaves here aren't bad. I don't want to Photoshop that whole thing out. And, I mean, let's see if maybe I can get something better. No. I mean, I can zoom in. Let's do that. You know what? Let's take this. This isn't great, but I didn't climb up here for nothing. Ooh, circular polarizer. Alright, maybe we got something here. I'm going to focus on this rock here. F14. Still got my old settings, 1.6 seconds, F14, ISO 125. You know what? It might not be that bad. Let's go to 2 seconds. 2-second delay is on. Alright. I don't gotta worry about sharpness. Oh yeah. A little bit of motion in those leaves right there. Let's try to take one more. I'm gonna go a little bit faster, 1 second. I'll go up to ISO 250. Make sure my circular polarizer is doing its job here. Yeah, that's without it. That's on right there. 2-second delay. Let me pack up this stuff because we're gonna go back down, and on the way up I saw what I think might make a decent shot. Alright, oh, why is this so heavy? I don't understand. Ooh, this is pretty. Let's go up closer. I'm gonna sit up right here. Yeah, bring it up higher. I think I like that composition right there. See, I'm trying to get these waterfalls. This might work right here. Okay. Okay, so let's see if we could dial in some settings here. Let's make sure my circular polarizer is working. That's with it right there. Let's go to F14. F16? Yeah, okay. I'll bring down the ISO. My histogram looks okay. Oh. Make sure 2-second delay is on. And let's take the shot. Right. First things first, get these, both of my feet are soaking wet. All right, let's get these off. Socks are soaked, sneakers are soaked. Hope the photos were worth it. I mean, it wasn't great, but it wasn't bad. It was all right. It was a good time. I was not expecting to actually make a video today, but I figured, you know what? Why not take you guys along with me? So that is going to be the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. And hopefully next video goes a little bit better and I don't get wet. But anyways, all right, see you guys in the next video.